morning, grade ones. Today I'm going to tell you a little story about why the reed warbler babbles. Before we get started, I want to show you these pictures of these beautiful colored birds. Can you see all of them and how beautiful their colors are? Especially this one over here. Long time ago, birds didn't have these beautiful colors. They were plain white. The birds all decided to get together one day to speak about why they were white and how they could change this to be beautiful colors. The birds said that because they were white, they were more endangered, because hunters could see them more clearly. They all gathered together and decided that they were going to speak to the king. They wanted to ask the king if he could paint them different colors so that they wouldn't stand out so much and that they would blend in with the nature. They all came together and went to speak to the king. The king decided that this was a very good idea. He started picking them to get them painted. The reed wobbler was jumping up and down and flying around saying, "Pick me! I want to go first! Pick me!" The king decided that the reed warbler was making too much noise and being too impatient. So he said, "No, you must wait your turn." After a couple more birds got painted, the reed warbler started jumping up and down again and flying all over, saying, "Pick me! I want to go next! Pick me!" The king said to him, "You are far too impatient and you need to wait your turn. You will now have to wait right until the end. After every other bird has been painted, we will paint you." All the birds started getting painted and they were such bright, beautiful colors. It finally came to the reed warbler's turn. The king painted him and he was so proud and excited. He started flying around asking all his friends how beautiful he was and what color he was. His friends all said to him, "You're actually quite a sad brown color." He was very upset about this, that he wasn't bright colors like his friends. So now he sits in the reeds and just makes noise from there. And that's why he is known as the reed warbler.
So this is a fun one today. So in the story, Mrs. Cox told you about the birds and how they wanted to be different colors. So today you're going to draw your own bird. You're allowed to make it whatever colors you want. It doesn't have to be one of the real birds that we see outside in the garden. You can make your own bird using shapes. So take a look. In all of these pictures, they've used some shapes. They've used circles, they've used squares, they've used triangles. In your worksheet, it says you need to use circles and ovals. But if you really would like to, you may use a few other shapes as well. Take a look at these, have some fun, color it in beautifully, and we can't wait to see some of your beautiful creations. Have lots of fun, and we'll see you again soon.